Hello friends, so today we will continue with oxygen delivery devices. First of all, you must know the basic things about oxygen delivery. The most basic thing is the FiO2. FiO2 means the fraction of the oxygen in inspired air. Fraction of oxygen in inspired air. So जो normal air contains 21% of oxygen. So FiO2 of normal air is 21%. This is the basic thing. FiO2 means fraction of oxygen in inspired air. So we can provide oxygen to the patient through various devices except the mechanical ventilation and non-invasive and the invasive ventilation. We will discuss the various basic devices through which we can deliver oxygen to the patient. So oxygen delivery device is divided into high flow system and the low flow system. In low flow system, we have nasal cannula or nasal prong. Second is the simple face mask, and third is the reservoir mask. These are divided into partial rebreathing mask and non-rebreathing mask. So these are the low flow systems like nasal cannula or nasal prong, simple face mask, reservoir mask, which are divided into partial rebreathing and the non-rebreathing mask. The high flow system consists of air entrainment device or which is also called as Venturi mask and high flow nasal cannula, HFNC. High flow nasal cannula. So these are the devices with low flow and the high flow system. So I will show you each and every device one by one, and at the end of session we will see that how much flow we can give through each devices and how much FiO2 we can give through each device. Sometimes simple face mask, partial and non-rebreather mask. Sometimes they put into medium flow system. Usually they are put in low flow system, but some of the author put them into low flow system. So now we will see each and every device one by one. So we will continue with low flow system. First of all, a nasal prong or nasal cannula. It consists of two prongs with tubing. These two prongs are put in patient's nares and tubing at the end of tube. This part connect to the oxygen system. So these are various kind of nasal prongs. The nasal part may be straight or curved. In various it comes in various forms like curved or this one is curved, and these are straight. So we can use different kind of nasal prongs, depends upon patient's comfort. So through nasal prong we can give flow of 1 to 6 liter per minute, and maximum FiO2 we can give 24 to 36%. Flow at the rate of 1 to 6 liter per minute. Maximum flow we can give 1 to 6 liter and FiO2 26 to 30%. If we increase the flow more than 6 liter per minute, more of the air will be drawn from the environment, so there will be no increase in FiO2. So we can give maximum 6 liter per minute. More than 6 liter is not going to increase FiO2 of the patient. Next, in the low flow system is the simple face mask. This is the simple face mask. This part connect on the patient's face. These are the exhalation ports. This tube connect to the oxygen system, and oxygen flow comes through this part. So this is the simple face mask. The flow we can give through simple face mask is 6 to 10 liter per minute, and maximum FiO2 we can give is FiO2 40 to 60%. So maximum FiO2 we can achieve is 40 to 60%. So same as in the nasal prong. If we increase the flow to more than 10 liter per minute, more of the air drawn from the environment, and there will be no increase in FiO2. Next is the partial rebreather and non-rebreather mask. In this picture you can see the partial rebreather and the non-rebreather mask. This one is partial rebreather, and this is the non-rebreather. Sorry, this is non-rebreather mask. So in rebreather mask there is a reservoir bag which reserve the oxygen or air. So what is the difference between the partial rebreather and non-rebreather mask? In partial rebreather mask, when we exhale the air, some amount is reach into the reservoir bag. Some part of initial part of exhalation. When he exhales, so initial part of the exhaled gas reach into the reservoir bag. But maximum amount of the gas which comes in the reservoir bag comes from this oxygen flow tube. So oxygen comes from here, and initial part of the exhalation gas come into the reservoir bag. So there is some amount of mixture. So this is partial rebreathing mask, because patient rebreathe some of his expired gases. Here also the exhalation ports through which the expired gas, most of the expired gas goes through these exhalation ports. In rebreathing mask, here this is the port for oxygen. So oxygen comes through this way. The oxygen fills the reservoir bag, and also it goes through the mask into the patient's goes to the patient through this mask. So the difference between partial rebreathing and non-rebreathing is in this valve is allow only unilateral flow. Oxygen comes through this way, and when patient expire, this valve get closed, and exhalation gas will not reach into this bag. So this bag contains only 100% of the oxygen in non-rebreathing mask. In this there is mixture, oxygen plus exhaled gas, some amount of exhaled gas. Here also the exhalation ports are they allow only unilateral flow, that air can go outside only. They cannot breathe through these ports. So the FiO2 we can provide through partial rebreathing mask is (60 to 80%) at flow of 8 to 10 liter per minute. And in non-rebreathing mask, theoretically we can provide 100% of FiO2, but there is some leak around the face mask, so the FiO2 is usually 90 to 95%, and flow is 10 to 15 liter per minute. So this is the non-invasive device, non-invasive device through which we can provide the maximum FiO2 to the patient, which is theoretically 100%, but 90 to 95% we can provide through on non-rebreathing mask. Now we will see the high flow system. In high flow system we have two options: Venturi mask. First is the Venturi mask. In Venturi mask there are multiple, these comes in multiple colors. We can attach here at the oxygen connector. We connect the Venturi mask. So at this there are markings. When we will rotate this, by rotation we can increase or decrease the size of orifice. Decrease the size of orifice. So we can change the FiO2. The FiO2 provided by Venturi mask is 24 to 60% FiO2. 60% depend upon the size of the port. So by rotation we can increase or decrease the size of the port. So we can change the FiO2. Flow through Venturi mask can be 40 to 60 liter per minute. But why there is a low FiO2? Because in Venturi mask the principle of this is when high flow of jet of air goes, it creates a negative pressure, so it absorbs the air from the environment. So we are delivering oxygen this at high flow, but most of the air comes from the environment due to negative pressure generated by this process. So the FiO2 is less, but flow can be high as 40 to 60 liter per minute. Finally, in the high flow system is high flow nasal cannula, HFNC, or high flow nasal cannula. This is very important. Here there are parts of the high flow nasal cannula. This is the heated inspiratory circuit. This is the active humidifier. This is the flow meter. And this is the air oxygen blender. So these are the various parts. In this blender, air and oxygen blend, and we fix the flow and FiO2. We fix the flow and FiO2. So blend of the oxygen and air reach to the humidifier, which humidify the air, and through the heated inspiratory circuit, through the nasal attachment, it goes to the patient. So this comes into high flow system. This is another image showing the high flow nasal cannula, HFNC. So this is all about the oxygen delivery devices. So if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you for listening. Thank you.